In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Safari private browsing. This is a function similar to incognito mode on Google Chrome. First thing you want to do, guys, you want to open the Safari app. Okay, so when you actually open the Safari app, guys, all we gotta do is essentially to click on the double square on the side, okay, on the right side, and then you want to swipe where it says private. Okay, so you come over here, you swipe on the right side, and then you come on the private browsing mode. Very important is that private browsing mode essentially protects your privacy and it keeps all of your open windows over here private. After you close the tab, Safari will not remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. Like I said, this is very similar and definitely it's a version of incognito mode from Chrome. So if you previously used Chrome, this is how you can use the private mode over here as well. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.